Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. This has been a recent Louis Vuitton purchase for me and I love this bag. If you're wondering a little more details about it, or if you're thinking about getting it, I know it is sold out online right now, unfortunately, but it is a classic piece, so it will not leave their collection. But if you want a little more details about this bag, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. I have been a little off this week, but my week was kind of off. Sunday I didn't film and I didn't post on Monday, so it just threw me off for the rest of the week. But don't worry, I will be posting Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from now on. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little review of the bag and then pros and cons. So let's get right into this video. As you guys can see, I have the one with the khaki strap, and there's another multi-pochette accessories that comes with the rose strap. I'll put a picture on the screen, but I have the one with the khaki strap. I love this color of khaki. It goes with everything. If you're a neutral kind of dresser, like you wear whites, grays, blacks, then you will have no problem dressing this bag up. It goes with everything. This bag is so cool. It just looks cool on. It feels cool when you're wearing it, and it's just unique. It doesn't look like a normal bag. So I'm gonna get into the details of it. It has this gold chain which just dangles when you wear it, and it's so cute. And then it has the mini pochette in the front, and then the pochette accessories. And on this bag, everything is detachable, which makes it so cool and so easy to be able to be versatile with this bag. So the hardware is gold on this bag, for the clasp, the chain, and also these little metal bits here, the zipper, and it has a little bit of vachetta on it. So right here, this little tab, also this little leather tab right here is also vachetta leather, and this little tab of vachetta as well. So it has a little bit of vachetta leather on this bag, which is a good thing. Another really cool thing about this bag is the sides of the bag running down to the bottom and to the other side. It has baby monogram, and that is so cute. I really love the little extra detailing that this bag has. Now I'm going to show you the interior of the bag. So the first pochette, when you open it, it has the classic brown lining, and then this little tag you see here is the item number, and it just is just this one big pocket. It has no pockets inside or any other compartments. So that is the inside of the first mini pochette. And then the pochette accessories, you're opening it and it has the classic brown interior, and also features a pocket, which is really nice. I love smaller bags that have a little pocket so you can put your little things in there, and it's easy to find whenever you need them. But the lining is really nice and very durable. I really like it. And you could tell it's like such good quality, and I just really like the feel of it. This tag right here that you see says Louis Vuitton Paris, and also here on the inside of the pochette accessories has the item number as well. Also on this strap, I forgot to mention, but it says Louis Vuitton. It's like really deeply stitched in there, which is so nice, and it feels really good. And it just says Louis Vuitton all across it, and has these little flower detailing, and it's just really pretty and really nice. So on the strap, it features this round coin purse, and I love this coin purse. Before purchasing this bag, I was looking for the round coin purse everywhere, couldn't find it. Everywhere I went when I was going to a Louis Vuitton store, they didn't have it in stock, and one day when I was scrolling through the website, it wasn't there anymore. So I thought that they like discontinued it or something, and then this bag came out and I saw it had a round coin purse, and that was probably one of the selling points for me. And I love it because it has this monogram canvas, but when you flip it over, it again has the baby monogram, and it's just so cute. And I just love this little detailing of the strap as well, and it just looks so cool when you're wearing it, and it's just hanging there, and it's really cool. It's a really cool feature of this bag. And it is also detachable, and at the top right here it has a little bit of a keta, but nothing to worry about. I'm going to go into the dimensions of each piece so it gives you a better understanding of how big these are. So starting with the round coin purse, the length of the coin purse is 9 centimeters, the height is 9 centimeters, and then the diameter is 2 centimeters. So it is a very decent sized coin purse. I'm gonna open it for you guys. This is what the interior looks like. I currently have gum in here from when I was using it, but it is a decent size. You could put like little things in it. You can't put a credit card in here. I tried, but you could put your chapstick, like a little hand sanitizer, just something that you want to have on you at all times, and that's easy to get to. I wouldn't recommend putting coins in here only because of how light the interior is. It might get dirty and show the dirtiness of the coins, and I don't know, that's just me. You could do whatever you want into your bag, but I'm just suggesting not to because it will get dirty and end up looking really not cute anymore. By the way, guys, I'm so sorry for the lighting. I'm trying to use as much natural light as I can, and I'm really liking this setup because you guys can see a little bit of my luxury shelf and also my Louis Vuitton. And then over right, if I could point out, right here, you could see like my SLGs. So I'm really liking this setup, and I like the light that comes in, and my room is like kind of set up weird, so I can't like put a setup here because it's too narrow. Anyway, I'm so sorry about that, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Now for the mini pochette, the dimensions are, the length of this mini pochette is 12.7 inches, the height is 9 inches, and the diameter is 2 centimeters. Now for the pochette accessories dimensions, the length of the pochette accessories is 23.5, the height 13.5 inches, and the diameter of the pochette accessories is 4 centimeters. So now I'm gonna go into the pros and the one con I have to this bag. So starting off with the pros of this bag, my number one pro to this bag is that everything is detachable, so it makes it so easy to be versatile with this bag because you can use everything separately and on its own. My second pro to this bag is how versatile it is because you can use this bag from day by using this strap and to night by using the gold chain. It is big enough where you can be able to wear it on your shoulder or on the crook of your arm. I just think it's such a cute detail, and how it can change up the look of the bag totally by removing this strap. So that is definitely a pro for me. My third pro to this bag is the strap. How it is adjustable, so you can literally wear this as a crossbody bag but also change up the look and wear it as a like kind of bum bag style. I will give you guys mod shots at the end of the video, so keep watching and wait till the end of the video. But it is so cool how you can wear it 2 different ways. I've definitely wore these both ways, and I love the feel and the look of them when wearing them both ways, so that is definitely a pro for me. This bag has so many like versatile ways you can wear this. It is endless, and I love it. So my fourth pro to this bag is how it doesn't have a lot of vachetta leather on it. So as I showed you in the beginning, it has this vachetta leather piece here, also a piece right here, and on the straps it has this vachetta little piece and this little vachetta piece, and also for the round coin purse it has this little vachetta piece. I really like that because it's a worry-free kind of bag, and it's monogram. It's very rare that Louis Vuitton has monogram canvas pieces that don't have a lot of vachetta leather. So I love how it is monogram but has a little bit of vachetta. So I really like that about this bag as well. So my fifth pro for this bag is that how this bag is going to be always in their collection because it is considered a classic piece, even though the amount of hype this bag has, which is good, but also how crazy it went when it first, even before it came out, it was sold out. But I love how it is a trend at the moment, but this bag will always be a classic to Louis Vuitton, so you always will be able to get your hands on it. I've had people contact me on Instagram asking if I was selling this bag because I am selling a few other things in my collection. So if you're interested in any of those, check out my Instagram. I will put my name on the screen. But they were asking me if I was selling this, and I told them no because I really love this bag and I haven't been able to wear it that much. But I will definitely keep an eye out for you guys and let you guys know if this becomes available on their website. And yeah. So my last pro to this bag is the mini monogram that this bag features. It is just so unique, and I have never seen Louis Vuitton do this kind of thing. The recent thing was the giant monogram, and that is so cute, but I just love the little mini monograms. It just gives the bag so much character and different, so I'm very drawn to unique and different bags. When it comes to luxury handbags, I just love something different and something that is like has a story behind it, and I just want to eventually hand down my handbags, so I love pieces that are different from one another. Now we're gonna get into the one con that I have for this bag. This is for some people, not all people. So if you're the type of person that likes to bring everything with you on a daily basis, this bag might not be for you. This bag is more of like essentials bag, because when I've noticed when I was using it, the first time I ever used it before this whole lockdown, I was packing it and everything, and it can get bulky really quick, so you can't put that much in it. And when I was using it and putting everything in, when I was zipping it, it was getting a little disordered. So just keep that in mind of what, if you are wanting to get this bag, that you can really just put your essentials in here and not like everything. This little cool pouch in the front is where I usually put my phone, and then I have all my other things in the bigger pochette because it just fits better that way. And not everything is jam-packed in the mini pochette. I do have a what's in my bag video if you want to go check that out and see how I pack this. If you're wanting to get this bag, that may be an issue for you, but I just wanted to mention that just in case you guys aren't sure about the sizing and everything, because before I purchased this bag, I wasn't sure about the sizing. I wasn't sure if you could fit a lot, so I would definitely watch the what's in my bag video that I have on this bag so you guys have an idea of that. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this bag, please leave them down in the comments, or you can always DM me on Instagram. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.